Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to Sundays at Tiffany's. I may or may not have had my baby by this point. I am recording this voiceover on Wednesday, so we will see by the time that you're seeing this. But basically, we have an induction date if we don't go into labor on our own, and I'm just feeling the need to get it all done, organize, and just clean and get everything ready for baby. So the first thing I'm doing is decluttering two spaces that were really bothering me, and that was this big cabinet in our kitchen as well as our front closet. So the first thing I did was just take everything out of this cabinet, and I'm wiping everything down. And then I'm going to go to the closet and take everything out of the top of the closet, but basically it's all children's items that could definitely be organized better and just be decluttered, and the way that it came out is just absolutely beautiful. It's nice because we're going to have our parents here while we're in the hospital with Everly, and they will know where everything is, and the kids can go and get their arts and crafts, and just everything will be really nice and organized and decluttered. So here is everything from all of those spaces, and you'll see what I did here in a second. So I have everything out here. I even tested out the markers to throw away ones that were dried out. I'm throwing away the really broken crowns and just organizing them into this cute little organizer I found here for under $10, and this was from HomeSense, I believe. So who knows if you'll ever be able to find it again, but I like how this came out. Will the crowns stay like this with my kids? Probably not, but it was really satisfying for the moment being. I'm also wiping down all of the markers because they had like a very odd sticky substance on them, because that's life with kids. So that is why I'm cleaning the markers before I put them away, but I love how this came out. Now that the crowns and markers are put away, I just have some scrap paper as well as like these little poof balls that the kids like to make crafts with. So it's really nice because these are stackable, and like I said, they can just pull this out and be creative. Now these next bins here are amazing, especially for organizing kids' items like this. I just put all of their paint and glue stuff and some scissors into this one, and I'm going to put it into this drawer here. These are from Target. When I just looked a couple of minutes ago online, they were sold out, but it will tell you if they have it in your store or not, so I will link them in the description box below. Next, I'm working on sensory bins. My kids love sensory bins. However, we have some new holiday ones coming, so I'm just kind of combining everything from all of their different sensory bins. I'm putting all of the Play-Doh and rice into one, and then I'm going to put all the toys into another, and then I actually have a box left over. These boxes that you see here, the big clear boxes, are from Busy Box Child. I love their stuff, and then she, I know, gets these boxes from IKEA because I've purchased them from there before, so you can of course always make your own sensory kits, but I just love supporting her company as well as my friend Kristen's company. The kids really love these and they ask for these, so now I'm basically just putting all the toys here so they can take this out. And a lot of times we'll just use like a little baking dish and they'll play with the stuff inside of a baking dish, or you know, anything like that. And so I had this leftover crate here and I'm using this for all of the blocks that are in the kitchen. So we do have a playroom and we have things in the playroom that they play with, but these are just like the downstairs things that they usually play with in the dining room. I love how organized and simple all of that stuff came out. And the bottom shelf in that cabinet I've always used for baby things like my pump stuff and bottles. So I'm going ahead and sterilizing everything for Everly, and I'm going to use that as my pump and bottle storage as well. These are the Nano Baby bottles. I've never used them before, but I'm excited to try them. I'm also just unboxing all of her swaddles for this snoo. I've also never used the snoo before, so I'm excited to try those as well. And of course I will update you on what we are liking postpartum. But I went with a lot of new products since this is our last pregnancy that I wanted to try. But of course I always stick with my Medela stuff as well. I have a Medela pump, and this will also be my first time using the LV pump as well. Okay, full disclosure, this took over 2 hours to get all of this organized and decluttered, as well as sterilizing all of the new baby items, but I'm so happy that it's done and it looks incredible. So next on our list is just trying on our Warby Parker glasses, picking which ones we want, and then going ahead and sending the kit back. Warby Parker are the only glasses that I've worn for like the past 3 years now. I absolutely love them. They're committed to providing exceptional vision care both online and in stores. They offer eyeglasses, sunglasses, eye exams, and contact lenses. They're super affordable. They start at $95, and that includes your prescription lenses, sunglasses, progressives, and blue light lenses that they have available. I even have my mom and my sister wearing these, so I love them. It's so easy to do a try-on kit. I'll show you how. There's an app for that and how I can even try glasses on the app. That's what I did before I actually ordered these. So you get to order 5 pairs of glasses and there's no obligation to buy. You can send them back after 5 days and it ships for free and even includes a prepaid shipping label, which is amazing. There's quizzes to see you know, what type of glasses are best for your face. But it's just so convenient and easy for me, especially as a busy mom of almost 4. And the quality is amazing. I've had the same glasses for 3 years now, plus more. They're just amazing and I know you'll love them. Let me know which glasses are your favorite. This number 3 was actually my personal favorite. If you want to check out Warby Parker, go to warbyparker.com/Beastons. Again, that's warbyparker.com/Beastons and order your free try-on kit. Moving on to day 2. Sometimes it takes me more than one day to get it all done. As you know, I always say done is better than perfect, and give yourself some grace. So I'm just going through to see what I've done so far and what I have left to do. So the first thing that I'm doing is just changing out our changing pad cover. I don't plan on leaving my baby unattended on this changing pad, just an FYI. I'm just going to change her up here and take her right off. And now that that is done, we are going to move on to kind of just like organizing this little cubby station that I made over here, just putting out some diapers and putting some labels on. I got the little labels from Target. They are just kind of temporary for now. They're little paper labels, nothing exciting, but this was all that I could find, and my nesting self just really needed labels on these things. So by the time you guys are seeing this, if I haven't had my baby already, I will be having her tomorrow. So make sure you follow me on Instagram at t.beaston to stay up to date. And yeah, you will be meeting her soon. I guess my next video after this video is going to be freezer meals and lactation cookies, and then after that I'll do my first 24 hours with a newborn, and I will have my birth vlog on our family channel, Beaston Family Vibes.
But baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Oh, love of mine, I don't wanna die, knowing that you're not beside me. Love of mine, love me for a while. Love of mine.
And I also just had to put some of her diapers downstairs with where we keep Ella's diapers. And next up, we are putting Everly's swing together. I'm so excited. It's so cute, and I think she's really going to love it. We've used the Mamaroo in the past, and my kids just never really liked it, so I just went with the traditional swing this time. After we put the swing together, we're going to put the high chair together as well. No, she will not be eating in a high chair for a long time, but when we do family dinners, we like our babies involved as well. So the high chair that I have, you kind of just pull the seat back and a newborn can lounge in it. There's a little newborn insert, and it's perfect for meal times once you have other kids. I had the same high chair with Ella, but it got completely mangled just from having it for so long, so we got a fresh one this time.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one. Love of mine. Love of mine.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. We got moonlight on your naked skin, summer's blood. down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answer. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here. I was worried you broke my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on my silver.
This wasn't on my list, but I saw it sitting in my room and realized that I needed to do it. But I need to put together her outlet and make sure it's nice and charged. I know there's a lot of mixed reviews on the outlet, but I personally loved it with Ella, so I got it again this time. I was going to rearrange my room, and then after talking with Chris, we decided to keep it the way it is. I just need to move that reclining chair out of there and put her bassinet back in here. The bassinet I moved to the office so that I could sleep in this chair because that's how uncomfortable I am at this stage of pregnancy. So I'm basically just going ahead and setting up the outlet, and then I'm going to wash the actual sock that goes with it.
I keep on falling astray from my intuition, but I'm pretending it's not my fault. No. The way you make it glitter, you drink me like liquor, keep painting the picture, alright. No, I don't care.
And last but not least, I'm just going ahead and taking out her bath seat. I have never used this bath seat before. I feel like I got a lot of new products this time that I've never used. But I'm taking out this bath seat. I heard great things about it. I heard it was easy to clean and that it's also easy to hang up if you put like a little hook in your bath. So I'm really happy with that. I hope that you all enjoyed this Get It All Done and that it gave you some motivation. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and be sure to check out warbyparker.com/Beastons and get your free at-home try-on kit.
In your soul,